video will show you how to remove, clean, and probably replace the strainer on truck 50 that cleans the water going into the air compressor. Officer side pump panel, this chrome door, the bottom left hand side. Once you open the door, you'll find a 2.5-inch steamer. This steamer should be easily removed by hand. Once you remove the steamer, inside you'll find a strainer with a handle. Notice the position of the strainer handle. It's in past the edge of this fitting about 1/4 of an inch, and it's aligned roughly in the center from side to side. When you remove the strainer from the housing, you flip it over and rinse it with the water that's coming out of the housing. Give it a little tap to make sure any rust or debris comes free of the screen, and then you replace it into the housing. Oftentimes it won't fully seat into the housing like now. Notice the bend of the handle and the edge of the housing are very close to being level or plumb. Give it a little wiggle, rotate back and forth. There we go, it'll seat. Now you can see, hopefully, that the bend of the handle is roughly 1/4 of an inch inward past the edge of the housing. When we're speaking about the bend in the handle, the actual bend that we're speaking of is this bend right here. You should then be able to replace the cap and repressurize the pump without having any leak while replacing this cap by hand. Do not use a spanner on this cap. If you use a spanner on this cap, you could compress the screen and handle against the back of the housing, bending the screen and allowing debris, rocks, rust, and so forth to get by the screen, damaging the cooling system on the compressor.